Hi everyone, I'm here with another layout. This is my niece and her two sons. She, since this photo, has had another son, so she was just her and the boys, and then she met someone who she fathered another child with, and he already had a child, so they now have 4 boys. My background is Hip Kit Club sweater weather. The leaf background, which is where, because I have like a pink mixed media type layout, and then I have the leaf, which is borders that, and that is sweater weather as well. That black and white grid gold pattern is Hip Kit Club sweater weather. That black and white polka dot is September Days from the September kit. And that one I call it grid, but it's kind of plaid. I think other layouts I called it plaid. This one I'm calling it grid. But it's sweater weather. And then the apple layer is sweater weather as well. I'm going to use a gold and white polka dotted banner and a leaf. And it's actually kind of a brown, golden brown, I guess, with pink leaves. And let me see. And that's from Hip Kit Club sweater weather. They were from Scraps. And here's where I do the banners. Oh, actually, it is feeding time for you guys, ain't it? I guess. What's happening now? See recess. See her. Oops. Ow. Hey, pattern. Alright, so once I get the banners and stuff down, then I'll start the die cuts, which are Hip Kit Club sweater weather. And those are the those are scraps that I had from left over from previous kits, but it's still from the sweater weather kit, so. Alright, so how am I going to do my die cuts? Hello? Oh no, that's... There we go. So the die cuts are sweater weather. And I am going to use some chipboard stickers, which is that frame. Apparently the puppies needed outside and I rushed to their aid and totally forgot to stop my video. Sorry about that. Oh, maybe I went to get coffee because I see I got coffee. So never mind. I went to get more coffee. A coffee refill. Oh my gosh, then Patton comes. So I decided to take my baby powder and take the sticky off the stickers so I can kind of figure out where I want them to be. And so that picture day is a chipboard sticker. And the family photo is a chipboard sticker. And I'm going to use happy in my title. And those are all sweater weather. Okay, called sweater weather. So I'm going to go ahead and glue all these down. It doesn't have a sticker, I'm not sure. Oh, so very happy is a sticker from Hickey Club Sweater Weather. So for the title. So one is Hippie Club September Days. Puffy alphabet stickers. Family is Hippie Club's Puffy Alphas from a past kid. I don't even remember what this one come from. It's been so long ago. Actually completely cleared out all of my stash from past kits because it was accumulating and accumulating fast. And so I completely cleared it out. And oh, I apologize, that was my husband. And gave it to a coworker who is going out on surgery. All right. And so family, and then happy, of course, is the chipboard. So that completes my layout. When I have more, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching. Bye.